Hello everyone, this is Sensuous One, and today I don't know what this is, but I had these clear acrylic organizers, and I had once put some mesh bling on them, and I think I used E6000, and the thing that I created, I didn't like it or didn't want it anymore. I just want something different. So I pulled off the mesh bling, and I was left with a bunch of glue that was here. So I used some sandpaper and sanded it off, and then I used a fine grit sandpaper with water to try to smooth it off. So my goal today is to try to not really repurpose but refurbish, I guess, the surface that I've messed up. As you can see from it sanding, it looks a little cloudy. I'm thinking that the resin that I have, I'm going to use this resin. This is for jewelry, the jewelry grade resin, the resin and the hardener. I'm going to use this to see if I can restore the top surface, because I did not want to throw these drawers away because they're pretty sturdy and they're in good shape. It's just the fronts that got messed up from the glue. But anyway, enough rambling. So I'm going to go ahead and mix my epoxy. I wasn't going to do a video, but I figured since I was up and I was doing this, that I might as well share. So these come with the little spoons, and I got that from Michael's. So it says to mix equal parts of the hardener and the resin together. And I haven't opened this yet, so I'm going to open it now. This one has like a little seal thing on it, so I'm going to open it. And I guess I'll start with 1 ounce. And then if I have too much left over, I'll just pour it into a mold. So I'm pouring this one to a 1/2 ounce. And this is the resin. And then I'm going to pour the hardener up to the 1 ounce line. Oh, I'm going to open it. Up to the 1 ounce line. Alright, so I'm going to give that a mix. And I'm just mixing until it's all incorporated together. It says that it dries, or it cures crystal clear. So we shall see. And this one is made so that I'll read the directions, and it says that the bubbles that are in there, they will come to the surface on their own once it's cured. I'm not too worried about the bubbles. I just want it to look a little more clear than it is from me sanding it. So I don't want to bore you guys with this mixing. I probably should have mixed it before I started, but I wasn't. I had no intention on doing a video, so it is what it is. Alright, I think that's all mixed up. It looks evenly. Looks all one uniform color. So I'm going to use this sponge brush to apply. So this is the first one I'm going to... Yeah, I knocked it over. This is the first one, sorry. And you can see it's really cloudy over here compared to this. This is where I sanded it. So I'm going to dip it in my acrylic. And this one, not acrylic, my resin. This one says use within 45 minutes, so hopefully it won't get hard on me before I get done. So I'll just put some on the tip. And if I can hold it in frame, I'm going to brush it on. It looks pretty good. some more. And this is self-leveling, so if you have a few strokes in it, it's fine. It will level itself out. Let me make sure I get across the whole front. So if you have these little clear makeup drawers and you get scratches on them, looks like this is a winner. It looks clear. And I'm gonna let it sit and cure. Make sure I get the sides. Oops. So you saw how it looked before, and you see how it looks now. And my thought of the day worked. So I wasn't for sure if it was gonna work, but I was like, I'll do a video anyway, just to show, in case there's someone out there who needs to restore their acrylic drawers. Don't know what to do. I watched a few videos on YouTube. I did see some people using that headlight restoration kit. But I didn't want to go out and buy that. I just wanted to use what I had on hand, if I could, and see if it works. And it actually works. So, since I have 45 minutes to use this, I think I should be good with getting them all done. See? Just like new. Make sure I don't have any drips. I'm going to set these up flat so they can cure it. Hopefully I won't knock them over again. So let me come over here and move this resin out the way. And you see this one here, same thing. All of them I sanded down to get that glue off. So I'm dipping it and having a generous amount on there. And coat it on. Then I'll do one more with you guys. Okay, there's another one. That's sanded. Dip it in the resin. Brush it on. And it's just like new. I don't want to bore you with doing all the drawers, but I definitely want to come on and show you guys that this really works. So if you have some clear acrylic drawers you need to restore, do a little restoration weekend project on, this definitely works. Now I'm thinking it should work with any resin, any 2-part resin. This is just what I had on hand, so that's what I used. There we go. All right, you guys, I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you leave them down below. I thank you all for watching. Bye.